Hi, I'm Jose Salvatierra, founder of Teclado. Welcome to my course on REST APIs with Flask and Python. This is the most popular REST API development course on Udemy, with over 4,000 reviews and 20,000 students. I've been teaching Python for 6 years, and I know it can be really challenging to start learning how to code in Python while also learning how to make REST APIs. That's why we've structured this course to make it as easy as can be for beginners to jump in and start learning to code and creating REST APIs straight away. In this course, we'll start with a Python refresher, so even if you're not familiar with the language, you're still in good hands. And then each section introduces a new feature into a REST API. We'll start with request parsing, database integration, and then we'll look at making our life easier with SQLAlchemy and how to perform some critical user management operations like login, logout, token refreshing, and even securing endpoints so that only administrators can access them. We'll not only teach you how to code all of this, but we'll also learn about core software skills, such as interacting with GitHub and deploying your APIs to servers. We'll look at both Heroku and standalone servers in this course. We'll also learn about domains, security, and HTTPS. If you want to learn more about Python and development of REST APIs, this really is the course for you, regardless of your level of experience. Many lectures in this course contain extra resources for you to go and learn more. And all the code we write throughout the entire course is available for you to download and check out. I'm really excited to guide you through this course. You can't go wrong, so join me and I'll see you on the inside.